Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about measuring areas with different units. But first, let's have a look at what is an area. Area is the amount of space inside of an object. To show this, let's take a rectangle. The area is the entire colored space inside the rectangle. To measure the area inside the shape of an object, we can use squares. So for example, if I want to know the area of a shape, I will put square tiles inside the whole area of the object to figure out total area. Therefore, the area of the shape is 6 square units. Now, let us look at different measuring unit of an area. Units that are used in measurement of land includes square feet, square meter, acre, yard, gauge, biga, etc. Now, let us look at the comparison of these units. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. 1 square feet is equal to 144 square inches. 1 square meter is equal to 1550 square inches. 1 gauge is equal to 0.82 square meter. Also, 1 gauge is approximately 1 square yard and 1 square meter only. 1 acre is equal to 4046.86 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Biga is a variable unit which differs from state to state in India. So now let us have a look at an example. A farmer has a land of 1 hectare and he wants to divide it equally among his 10 sons. How will the farmer distribute it? It's very simple. As we all know by now that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. So the farmer can divide the available land, that is 1 hectare, into 10 plots of 1000 meter square, and all the sons will be happy.